Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove the background noise of your videos in CapCut Mobile. So if you have a video with a lot of background noise on it and you want to remove the noise or the sound, so what you guys need to do is click on the video, swipe through the category at the bottom here until you find the reduce noise option. So click on this. Now enable the feature here, reduce noise, like this. Now CapCut will reducing the noise on your videos. Just wait until it's done, and after that click on the check icon. Then you can check the result by playing the video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.